Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In today's video, I will show you how to play Warpath Ace Shooter in portrait mode. If you prefer playing vertically, then this guide will help you get the best experience, so let's jump into it. First of all, open up Warpath Ace Shooter game on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're in the game, simply go ahead and rotate your phone to portrait mode to see if the game adjusts to it. Typically, Warpath Ace Shooter is designed to be played in landscape mode, so you may not be able to switch to portrait mode directly by rotating your screen, but you can go ahead and select the portrait mode from the in-game settings. Go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left, and this will open up your profile section. From here, tap on Options, and inside the Options menu, tap on General. Inside General, scroll down and get to Screen Settings. Now simply click on Lock Portrait Mode option, and you will notice that your screen has enabled the portrait mode. Although the game is primarily landscape, you can always tap on the Lock Portrait Mode option and then your game will turn into a portrait mode. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching.